Hello everyone, my name is Larry and I'm helping people to transition from non-IT to IT careers. I'm teaching a course at Learnix Center, helping people to become software testers, quality assurance. It's not as difficult or scary as it might sound. However, it does require a little bit of effort and dedication. The course is only for 3 months and we study 2 times a week in the evening. We offer a free class and a consultation for anyone who is interested. Today, I'd like to talk about a possibility of transitioning into IT career and how people can do it and what kind of questions they are asking. What we're teaching at our course is so-called manual testing. Basically, who are manual testers? Well, they are people who are verifying the programs written by somebody else, by the programmers, and they actually verify that there are no errors or bugs in them. So it's a very interesting job and well paid too. The typical salary starts around 60 to 70,000 per year, so it's not bad. One might ask, what can I do afterward? I mean, once I finish this course, once I become a manual tester, what if I want to grow and do something else and get more salary, more skills and so forth? Well, that's an excellent question, and that's why at the Learning Center we have subsequent courses for people who wish to grow. Well, some people may like writing programs and writing code. Once they become manual testers, which this particular specialty does not require writing code or anything, but you're working side by side with programmers who are writing code, so you may like it. You may want to try it, and if you try, then you may want to become an automation tester. Well, the automation tester is pretty much doing similar things as a manual tester. He or she verifies that the programs and software that is written by a team of developers is free of defects and bugs, but they're doing it using automation tools, and they're doing it basically with writing scripts and some other techniques that we can explain on our course. So once you finish manual testing, find your first job, you're welcome to come back to us for a subsequent class in automation testing. Or if you don't like to write code or do the programming yourself, well, then you may consider to become business analyst. Who the hell is business analyst? Well, it's the person who acts as an intermediary, liaison between the stakeholder, the customer, the end client, and the technical team, helping to translate business requirements into technical requirements and communicate back and forth between those people. So you have lots of options. Again, come and talk to us. It's absolutely no obligation. Just contact us and we'll be happy to sit down with you and discuss your option and give you a free lesson. And you will see that information technology is not as scary as some people may think, and it's fairly easy to learn, and it might be a good career change for you. So we have our contact information at the bottom of this clip. So please contact us and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.